Hello everyone, glad to see you all. Today I'll give you a brief overview of library building, collections, and services via a PowerPoint. Hope it will help you to make a better use of library resources for your study and research. Let's start from building. The library building was established in 1989. The first to seventh floor were revamped and reopened on June 14, 2020. It's a 7-story building with over 700 seats. There's a floor guide next to the elevator for you to consult. Let's take a quick look at each floor. We are now in a Creative Future Educational Center. It includes 3 main areas: a highly interactive learning area, a small discussion room, and a learning commons. Based on the learner center concept, group cooperation, creative thinking, and digital technology, it can approach highly interactive learning from 4 directions of teacher and student, teacher and textbook, student and textbook, and student to enhance the learning effectiveness. If you have any questions about your privilege of books borrowing and return, please contact the circulation desk on the first floor. Other service spaces includes current periodicals area, multifunctional activity area, and discussion rooms. As you can see the photo on the left, the plaster statue named Day. Its original marble statue was made by Michelangelo from the Metropolitan Museum of the Art. We hope to add a touch of art to the reading environment. Young readers and children books, picture books, and NTUE discs are located on the second floor. Third floor, Frontline Collective Works, houses NTUE publications, NTUE teachers' excellent books, and recently exhibited. Along the windows, we provide a study area for individual study. There are various collections located on the third floor, including reference books, bound periodicals, music scores, microfilms, and part of Asian collection. If you have any further questions, you can visit Reference and Information Service Desk on 4th floor. This is where you can check out and return the audiovisual materials. Also, we provide nationwide document delivery services. There are personal audiovisual and group viewing areas. If you have 5 to 10 people, you can apply for a group viewing room. Teacher designated reference book area and discussion room on the 4th floor. Multimedia resources area is also located here. It provides information retrieval services and audiovisual education materials in a comfortable environment to support university teaching, research, and self-learning. The image of the slide is the main visual design concept on the 5th floor. With the continuation of the materials, the separate areas are created, yet the areas are connected by the bookshelves and distinguished spaces. In this way, it generates the effect of visual extension and creates the flow of light, shadow, and air at the same time. The Asian collection area 170 to 599 are located on the 5th floor. The main visual design concept on the 6th floor. With the original architectural materials and arrangement of bookshelves, it creates a new experience and portraying our memories on the space. The Asian collection area 600 to 999 are located on 6th floor. The main visual design concept on the 7th floor. Use the method of bookshelf penetration and open placement. In addition to reducing the space pressure, it also allows the vision to be connected and extended in a space. Light and shadow change accordingly and bring different experience in the life. The Western collection area are located on 7th floor. Now we've done with the building. Next, we'll be looking at the collections and the library catalog. There are various collections in our library. In addition to the education field, the collections include humanity and arts, etc. More than 527,000 paper books, including 4,900 sets of music scores, 958,000 ebooks, and domestic primary school textbook collections, etc., to continue the advantage of exquisite teacher training. You can use the library online catalog to find what you want in the NTUE library. At first, please connect to NTUE Library English website. There are two ways to search for library collections. One is to click the Collection Quick query, then enter the title, author, or subject in the search bar. The other is to click the Library Catalog under Search and Find Library Resources of the website. Then you can use Library Catalog to search collections of NTUE library. You can search for books, journals, discs, audiovisual materials, ebooks, and other collections via the Library Catalog. You can enter the title, author, or subject to search your required resources. You can limit the types of collections when searching, that you can quickly find the collection what you need. It also provides personalized services. You can access your library account online or update personal contact information. If you are looking for the book, Grief Counseling and Grief Therapy, there are 38 related collections in the search results. In addition to the book title, it will also display: first, collection type. The data may be books, ebooks, discs, etc. Second, collection status. The book is on a shelf or has been checked out. Third, code number. Western languages books are on the 7th floor of the library. If the item has been checked out, you may click on the link Request Photo Expand to make a whole request for the item. Briefly introduce what is the code number. A code number is the combination of letters and numbers that indicates where an item can be found in the library. In addition, click the e-resources system under Search and Find e-resources of the website. Then you can use eBooks databases to search eBook publishing platform. If you click the eBook option of the ERMG homepage and enter keywords when searching, you can search the library's eBook collection what you want. In addition, we can also search ebooks through the library catalog. Please click the URL in the result to access the ebooks directly. Looking for journals in the library catalog, click Journal Titles, then enter the journal title in the search bar. For example, American Journal of Education. On the results screen, please click LIB item. It will display the location of paper journal. If the journal is also issued in electronic version, just click SFX icon. Then click Go according to the database you want to select to the corresponding full-text database. If you want to search more electronic resources, it is recommended to use the e-resources system, which integrates the ordered and free database and e-journals by the school. The e-journals that can be used include open access journals are more than 60,000 items. Now we've done the collections, let's look at services. The library is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Friday, and from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekends. It's closed on national holidays. During winter and summer breaks, the opening hours are shorter. You may check the library website for further information. There are some important rules and regulations for you to consult in our website under About Us. Smoking, food, and drinks are not allowed except water. Please lower your voice. Mobile phones, computer, and related devices must be put in silent mode. When borrowing books, please present your own library card and make sure the checkout items are correct. If you borrow audiovisual materials, please follow the copyright law. NTUE faculty, staffs, and students can use university ID cards or library card to borrow materials from the library. The maximum number of books borrowed and loan period depends on the patron type. Please refer to patron type and loan periods. Borrowed materials must be returned within the due date. Overdue books are subject to late fees, and the borrowers are subject to suspension of their borrowing privileges. You can renew your books before the due date, including the due date. Renewals can be accomplished online, by telephone, or in person. A book checked out by the user may be renewed 2 times unless another user has placed a hold on it, or the book is overdue. Click the Reader Info query on the home page or My Account on the library catalog, and then enter your library ID and password to check circulation records, update personal information, also can renew checkouts before the due date. If you are in the NTUE campus, you can access the electronic databases, electronic journals, and e-books directly. Otherwise, when you access electronic resources of the NTUE campus, please log into a library account and password for authentication. If you need books or journal articles that are not available in the library, you can request it through interlibrary loan. In order to expand the book resources, provide book interlending services for teachers and students of the NTUE by exchanging interlibrary loan cards. During library open hours, you may borrow interlibrary loan cards in person with your NTUE ID card at the circulation service desk on the first floor. The library also provides information retrieval, document editing, printing, photocopying, and scanning services. The distribution floor are shown in the table above. You can contact us or visit reference desk on the 4th floor. Hope our library can be your good partner for your study and learning.